Okay, we have to solve the equations, and it says to make sure to check for extraneous solutions, which you can tell that any solution will work except for 4 and 0. So, because 4 would make that equal to 0, and 0 would make this one equal to 0. So basically anything works but that. I'm going to multiply by x times x minus 4. And the reason for it is because when I multiply this first term times that, the x minus 4's cancel, and you have x minus 3 times x, because the x minus 4's cancel. Okay, so I have to have each one of them is going to be multiplied by x times x minus 4. Okay, the next term, it's 4 times that, which would be 4x times x minus 4, and it equals, the x's cancel, 3x times x minus 4. Alright, so now we're going to distribute the x's, or the 4x, or the 3x to get rid of the parentheses. So you have x squared minus 3x plus 4x squared minus 16x, and it equals 3x squared minus 12x. I'm going to combine like terms. On this side, you have 5x squared minus 19x, and it equals 3x squared minus 12x. And I'm going to subtract 3x squared from both sides. And you have 2x squared minus 19x equals negative 12x. I'm going to add 12x to both sides. So you have 2x squared minus 7x equals 0. Well, x factors out of that, and you're left with 2x minus 7 equals 0. And so you have two values for x. X can be 0, and x can be 7 over 2, which is opposite of negative 7 is positive 7 divided by 2 is that. Okay, it says to check for extraneous solutions. So the two values that would make this equal to 0 are, what would make this one equal to 0 is if x were 4. That's what it cannot be. What would make this one equal to 0 is if x were equal to 0, and it can't be that. Therefore, this one doesn't work, but this one does.